How to take a screenshot on iPhone without buttons. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Touch. Here, go to AssistiveTouch at the top. AssistiveTouch allows you to use your iPhone if you have difficulty touching the screen or if you require an adaptive accessory. Over here, make sure the AssistiveTouch is switched on. Then, tap on the AssistiveTouch button to open up the menu. And from here, tap on Screenshot. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily take screenshot on iPhone without buttons.